So, Happy New Year, everybody. Today is 5th January 2026. So, this is my first unboxing 2026. And today I'm going to unbox this Kemei hair trimmer with the model number KM 1863. So, I bought it with the hair clipper, but this one came first last year. And the clipper, I don't know why till now I haven't received it. So, but first of all, let's unbox this one. Then we're gonna wait till I receive the other one. So, got 9,000 RPMs, as you can see. Charging time 2.5 hours. Operating time 180 minutes. And got ceramic and DLC coating blades. Okay. Yeah. Back. As you can see, still the same 5 watts. So 2000 milliamp battery, 2500 milliamp battery. Okay, comes with some accessories, which is good. And for me, this hair trimmer is really good, and I'm gonna tell you why it's also not good, so open up. So you see the hair trimmer, and inside comes like this. So no oil as usual. So it's a USB-C charging. Some guy comes, and charging dock, which is really good. It's a good one. And this is the hair trimmer. Okay, this one aside. Got a little bit weight to it, but not too heavy and not too light also, which is good. And comes like this. I don't know if maybe you see it good. Wait a moment. You can see. Okay. Zoom out again. Like I said before, USB-C charging with these two pins. And I don't really know how many speeds, but got some speeds, 1 or 2, 3 or something like that, LCD display, which is good. In the back is gross. Okay. The blade. So this is the blade. Sound check. So this is the highest. The blade is good, but you cannot zero gap this blade, which is very, very bad. If maybe the cam follower is not good anymore, somehow you cannot use this blade anymore. That's a big problem. So this hair trimmer is really good, I have to say. It's not bad, it's really good. The zero gapping is awesome. Really good. But when the cam follower is broken or something like that, or worn out, there's no way you can change this blade. So it is very cheap. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where you can buy this hair trimmer. Yeah, it's okay. That's it for the unboxing of this hair trimmer from Kemei, and peace.